people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Y'all missed me or whatever?
Sex on a rainbow. Said you love me, but it doesn't feel the same now. Hard to smile when I'm going through this pain. So
welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alice. I'm so glad that you guys are here with me. From the title of this video and me wearing this bonnet in this bathroom, y'all know that this is either a skincare or a hair care video. But today is both. We are using the Aztec Secret Clay Mask on my hair and my face to go from straight to curly. So I got a silk press about 2 weeks ago for a gala that I went to with my family. I was gonna record that as a video, but it never, I never finished the video. So what I'm gonna do is the parts from that video that I was supposed to do, I'm gonna just put in this video right before I start doing my hair. And then you guys are gonna just see like what I wore, what my hair looked like. We're gonna just get right into the video. So I'm going to mix this with water. I know that it says that you're supposed to mix it with apple cider vinegar, but I have very thin hair and apple cider vinegar is very strong and potent, and I don't want it to burn my scalp. I'm scared that it's going to burn my scalp. I know a lot of people have done this video and it hasn't done that, but I'm very afraid that it's going to burn my scalp. I will not be using apple cider vinegar when using this in my hair or on my face. So I'm just going to start out with taking this 1 tablespoon, and I'm going to put about 4 of these in there. I'm going to do the one for my hair first, and then whatever is left from that I'm going to use on my face. So that's why I'm using so much. After that, I'm going to take this 1/3 cup measurement, and I'm going to pour it inside of the mixture, and I'm going to take the end of this and I'm going to mix it. One thing I was told when using this is to not use metal when you're mixing or when you're making, because it deactivates the clay, I believe. So I'm gonna just add another 1/3 teaspoon, and I'm gonna mix it up, and then I'm gonna meet you guys back. Adding the extra teaspoon, my mixture now looks like this. It's kind of like a paste, but it's also kind of still thick. I have quite a lot because I'm gonna put it in all of my hair and all over my face. So the first thing that we're gonna do is I'm gonna wet my entire head, and I'm going to put conditioner in my hair because this is gonna be stripping all the toxins out of my hair, and I don't want it to strip everything that I need. So I'm gonna put some conditioner in my hair, and then I'm going to put the Aztec
This is the final result. The only thing that's currently in my hair is a little bit of conditioner, but besides that, this I feel like was a complete go. As you can see, my hair is completely back to being curly, which I love. I love my curly hair. Um, I straightened my hair in the first place because I was going to an event and I was trying to look cute for that specific event. But I love my natural hair, and I was missing my natural hair, and I had my hair done for about 2 weeks and was kind of over it. So now we are back to our natural curls, and I am so excited. I thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, give it a comment. Subscribe if you are not subscribed already. And I love you all so much. Thank you for coming on this journey with me. We are growing and we are flourishing every week. And I love you guys. Bye, sunflowers.